when I'm renovating a bike, I try, if I can, to keep costs down by not using new bolts and new components. So I'll show you how I get this rusty bolt on the A-stem looking a lot nicer on the bike with just a little work, and if you've got a great tool. First, I'm going to use a wire brush to get the outside edges nice and clean. And the great tool I was talking about is a tiny a handheld multi-tool like a Dremel. This is just a cheap brand that you can buy, but it's absolutely fantastic with different speeds and all sorts of attachments. In this case, I've got a wire wheel, and I've pushed as much of the wire strands of the brush into the head of the Allen bolt, and we will and then rotate it, then just give it a quick blow, and it's now nice and shiny to go back in. And this isn't really a video about steering heads, but just a quick reminder is when you're tightening these bolts is to do one, then the next, and tighten them in turn a small amount, and that just gets make sure there's no unequal stress on the head, like that. Okay, just that's the proper way of doing it. And if you're being really professional, look up the manufacturer's settings and use a torque wrench. And that looks better, nice shiny bolts. And I actually like to just put a tiny a smear of grease on these just to keep them looking nice and wipe off any excess. And there we go. Maybe that's not a smear, that's actually plugged it, but yeah, just I think makes it more durable and less likely to rust again. There.